Here we are studying about Vansha, which has Latin name Bambusa arundinacea and family Graminaceae. In Marathi it is called as bamboo or velu. In Hindi it is called as bansa, and in English it is called as bamboo. Due to various properties it has different names such as Trunadhvarja or Trunaketu, as it is the tallest in Trunavarga; Shataparva, as it has 100 internodes; Shatpadalay, as the Shatapadas lives in its stem; Supava, due to the properties of stem; Tvachisara, as the stem are fibrous; Drudagranthi, due to the hard nodes; Drudakanda, due to the firm stem; Mrityubija, because after seed formation the plant dies; Yavafala, as the fruit resemble with Yava; Dhanudrum or Dhanusha, as it used to make bows. Morphology: it is 15 to 35 meters tall and base of the stem is firm. The stem has many nodes and its circumference is 15 to 16 centimeter and it is hollow. Leaves are 20 by 2 centimeter with acute apex. Flowering and fruitation can be seen after 30 years. Flowers has cluster developing on the branch stalk. Fruit resemble with yava and it is called as Vanshayava. A white hard transparent substance collect at a node of female Vansha is called as Vanshalochana. Flowering in Grishma Ritu followed by the fruitation. Vanshalochan which is available in the market is synthetic. Pratinidhi of Vanshalochan is arrowroot, that is Curcuma augustifolia. Habitat: it can be seen in western and southern India, Sri Lanka and Myanmar. Useful part: root, leaf bud, fruit and Vanshalochan. Rasapanchak: it has Madhur Kashaya Rasa with Madhur Vipak and Shitavirya. Also has Laghu Ruksha Tikshna Guna and seed has Snigdha and Pichila Gunas. Also the Patrankur and Phala has Ushna Guna while Vanshalochan has Kashaya Madhur Rasa with Madhur Vipak and Shitavirya. Doshagnata: root has Kapha Pitta Shamaka action while Patrankur and Phala has Pittavardhak. Also Vanshalochan is Pitta Shamak. Pharmacological action: root has Varnya Kushtagna actions while Patrankur has Doshahara Dipan Pachan Vidahi action. Also Vanshalochan has Trishna Nigrahan Grahi Tridya Balya Jwaragna and Artavjanan action while fruit has Lekhan and Vishakna action. Rogagnata: Patrankur can be used in Agni Mandya Ajirna Krumi in the form of decoction. Vanshalochan can be used in Chardi Atisar Trishna Hridrav and Raktapitta. Also, due to its Jwaragna action, it can be used in Jirdajwara and Kshatajwara. Also, due to the Balla action, it can be used in Rajakshma, Kasa, Shwasa. Due to its Arthojanan action, it can be used in Garbhashaya Shodhana, Anartha, Kashtartha.